Good morning, everyone. So yesterday, US market were closed, but the futures are indicating more of a sideways trade, whereas Asian markets are indicating some softness. Nothing so great event which has happened in past some time. So more of a continuation of what has happened yesterday. So even if we see the dollar index remain more of a flattish, so and the bond yield are also flattish, whereas the commodities has seen some marginal bounce back yesterday, wherein aluminum, copper, and all has moved up, and today morning they are more of a flattish. Yesterday, copper moved up by almost around 1.5%, and oil also remained more of a flattish. So more of a steady type of market what we are seeing. We had seen a good run up in the recent past. So this steady market can lead to some profit booking in some of the sector or companies. And I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday, Nifty managed to sustain and close above the 23,500 range, and today we expect flattish open and trading within the range. Upside immediate resistance place around 23,570. If Nifty again break this range, then we expect further rally towards 23,640 and 23,700 and upside. Downside major support place around 23,440. Below that 23,370 is a major support for this bull rally. Below the 23,370, then we expect further sell off towards 20 to 900 and 22 say 800 at downside. So we closely watch this important support zone, that is 23,440 to 23,370 at downside. Yesterday, Bank Nifty given a good close in all-time high close and managed to sustain these important level. And We saw the yesterday's all banking stock trading in positive territory. Do we expect this momentum to be continued 2 days? But upside next newly resistant is 52,000. If Bank Nifty could break this range, then we expect further up move towards 52,470 and 52,700. Downside, 50,570 is a major support for Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty sustain this level, then we expect this momentum to be continued. But if Bank Nifty break 50,570, then we expect some profit booking and upper range. Fin Nifty also managed to sustain the important level that is 22,900 and above range. Then we expect this trading about 22,900. Then we expect the momentum to be positive side. Next immediate resistance is 23,200 and 23,416 upside. First immediate support place around 22,880. Below that 22,620 next support for Nifty. So overall, we expect flattish open in all three index. We closely watch first half an hour and first 45 minutes. It managed to sustain this important level. Then we expect up move. Otherwise, we see some sideways momentum and we closely watch the support zone. If Nifty close below the weekly expiry, this important support that is 23,370 Nifty and Bank Nifty 50,570. Then we expect further profit booking and further sell off in index. Stock specific Chambal fertilizer looks positive. HDFC Bank given a good rally yesterday, and we expect this rally to be continued. Motherson Sumi also looks positive and upside. Negative side, Bharti Airtel Hindalco looks weak. Some see some profit booking in Hindalco in upper range. So we expect this profit booking to be continued towards 50 DMA towards 650 and 640 at downside. Bharti Airtel also we expect some pressure to be continued today's session. This track towards downside around 1270 at downside. That's it for technical derivative I can.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. On the derivative front, as I said in the last few trading sessions, that banks should do well. They've done well. Now, coming to the overall data, the data really is the same. The only real difference is that there is a discount now in the Nifty and Nifty futures, and generally whenever such discount comes in, we see a couple of days of reversal. So beware that some sort of selling pressure might come in Nifty in the next couple of days, where probably Nifty can retest that 23,300 odd level, which is a support area now. Also, along with that, we saw a lot of call built up yesterday in the 23, 500, 600, 700, and above all call strikes. That does suggest some sort of selling pressure again. So both these indicators are suggesting some sort of selling pressure that can come in the next couple of trading sessions. So in case you have bought something at the lower end, this can be a good level to book some profits and probably, stay on the lower end to buy again. So yeah, look out for the same. The VIX also has increased yesterday from 12.5 to about 13.7 odd. So that is also a little negative. So all in all, the data is a little negative now. So yeah, beware of the same. The resistance for Nifty above is around 23,600 on the futures. The stock specific front, we saw banks performing quite well, and probably in the next few trading sessions, we'll continue to see further upside in these stocks. Majorly, private sector banks should do well. Also, fertilizer as a whole has come up, and Chambal, Coromandel, and a lot of names which are not in the FNO space have come up. So most of them are witnessing good delivery built up. Chambal, Coromandel have seen good open interest increase, long position being built in. So yeah, as a whole, the sector should perform well. So look out for the same. They can do quite well going forward. Yeah, that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Mass Financial has launched 400 crore QIP with option of additional 100 crore at a floor price of 301 per share, which is a discount of around 3.5% to yesterday's closing price. The QIP will lead to a dilution of 10%, and on book value per share, it will be accretive by 16.5%. So book value per share will increase from 108 to 126 rupees. So this is positive for Mass Financial. Thank you.
Good morning. Avenue Supermarts, that is DMart, has opened a new store at Tamil Nadu. With this, the total number of stores stands at 369. So this is marginally positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, yesterday, Vodafone PLC, that is UK company, has sold almost 18% of their holding in Indus Tower. That is resulted into raising of around 15,000 crores for them. That money Vodafone PLC will be using to retire their own debt, and will be reducing the debt which they had raised on the assets of India assets, which they might have raised around 1.8 billion euro, and which will be reduced because with this, and has not indicated any of this money will be coming to Vodafone Idea. So this will be used by themselves only and not given to Idea. So overall, Indus Tower, which has corrected because of this, has a positive outlook in the near term. Though yesterday the stock came in vain and can remain sideways for some time, but the overall outlook on Indus Tower is positive. Apart from that, yesterday Sun Pharma has received a warning letter from USFD for Dadra facility. This facility was anyhow under OAI, that is official action indication. So that was giving some indication that there could be some harsh measures like this of warning letter. So market was prepared for that. So marginal positive for Sun Pharmaceutical. So that's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, expecting gold and silver prices to trade in a positive zone. So, buying gold around 71,750 is recommended with a stop loss of 71,450. On upside, we are eyeing for 72,150 to 72,350 on the upside. Silver, we are expecting prices to test 91,000, 91,500 on upside. So buying around 89,700 with a stop loss of 88,700 is recommended. Copper, whereas we are seeing prices are resisting 857-58 zone, but however, some profit taking till 850 to 851 is expected, and prices are supportive at 845. So maintain a stop loss of 845 and buy for 858, 862 on the upside. Zinc prices are expected to test 262, 263. So buying on dips with a stop loss of 257.50 is recommended. In crude oil, we are expecting some profit taking. So prices can test 6670, 6600 on the downside. So selling around 6750 is recommended with a strict stop loss of 6820. Whereas natural gas, we are eyeing for the upside target of 255, 260. So buying around 242 with a stop loss of 233 is recommended. That's it from us. Thank you very much.